Imagine a world where the secrets of the past hold the keys to our future. Our ancestors crafted wonders that still leave us spellbound. Their monumental structures, their intricate art, and their profound grasp of the cosmos hint at a knowledge far beyond our understanding. But what if their wisdom was even more profound than we ever dared to dream? What if they wielded technology that surpasses our wildest imaginations? Across the globe, we uncover traces of ancient brilliance that challenge our conventional beliefs. The pyramids of Egypt, the Nazca lines of Peru, the Antikythera mechanism, these are not just feats of engineering, they are echoes of a forgotten era of wisdom. Could these astonishing achievements be the remnants of a lost technological age? An age when our ancestors possessed knowledge that would seem like science fiction to us today? The clues are too compelling to ignore. Join us as we embark on a journey to uncover the mysterious and ancient influences that have shaped the unseen roots of our technology. The idea that we are alone in the universe has always struck me as improbable. The cosmos is vast, teeming with billions upon billions of stars and planets. Is it really so hard to believe that other intelligent life might exist out there? And if so, is it so far-fetched to think that they might have visited Earth in the distant past, that they might have shared their knowledge with our ancestors? The ancient astronaut theory is often dismissed as fringe science, but when we consider the unexplained technological leaps of the past, the possibility of extraterrestrial influence becomes much harder to dismiss. Perhaps the ancients were not alone in their pursuit of knowledge. Perhaps they had help from beyond the stars. July 1947, Roswell, New Mexico. A rancher discovers strange debris scattered across his field. The military arrives, claiming it's a weather balloon. But the witnesses tell a different story. They speak of a crashed disc, of strange beings, of a government cover-up. The Roswell incident has become synonymous with the idea of UFOs and government secrecy. But what if it was more than just a crashed spacecraft? What if it was a turning point in human history? Many believe that the Roswell crash provided the United States government with access to advanced alien technology. Technology that would fuel a technological revolution unlike anything the world had ever seen. The long slumber, technology before the storm. For centuries, technological progress moved at a glacial pace. From the invention of the printing press in the 15th century to the dawn of the 20th century, advancements were incremental. Life in 1900 was not drastically different from life in 1800. Then came the 20th century, bringing with it 2 world wars and an explosion of new technologies. But even this paled in comparison to what was to come after Roswell. The stage was set for a technological revolution unlike anything the world had ever seen. A new dawn, the technological Big Bang. In the years following the Roswell incident, the world witnessed a technological boom unlike anything in human history. The transistor, the laser, the integrated circuit, the computer, breakthroughs that would have seemed unimaginable just a few decades prior. The pace of innovation was staggering. It was as if humanity had been given a glimpse into the future, a future powered by technologies far beyond our own understanding. The Roswell incident in 1947 where an unidentified flying object reportedly crashed in New Mexico, has been the subject of intense speculation and intrigue. Some believe that the debris recovered from the crash site contained alien technology, which was secretly studied and reverse engineered by the military and scientists. This reverse engineering could have led to the rapid development of key technologies such as microchips, fibre optics, and advanced materials. These innovations laid the foundation for the modern digital age, revolutionizing communication, computing, and countless other fields. Was this simply the natural progression of human ingenuity, or was there something more at play? The Roswell incident may forever remain a mystery, but one thing is certain: the world changed after Roswell. We entered a new era of technological advancement, an era that continues to shape our lives today. And as we venture further into the digital age, it's worth asking ourselves, did we get here on our own, or did we have a little help from our friends in the stars?